Here we have the first hands-on video of the Galaxy S25 Edge. We don't just have a hands-on video, we also have official renders. Let's start by looking at the hands-on video of the Galaxy S25 Edge. A new video has revealed dummy models of the Galaxy S25 Edge, showing what Samsung's upcoming phone might look like in two colors. The video also briefly compares its design with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. YouTube channel The Cinza shared a video featuring the Galaxy S25 Edge dummy models in silver and jet black. Since these are just mock-ups, the actual phone will look much more premium. However, it's still interesting to see the S25 Edge in black for the first time. The video also compares the phone, which is only 5.8mm thick, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is 8.2mm thick. The Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to have a 5.84mm thickness. The S25 Edge is about 2.4mm thinner than the Ultra. You can watch the full video, link in the description box. Also, here we have the first official Galaxy S25 Edge renders with the courtesy of Roland Quant. These new renders show the Galaxy S25 Edge in three colors, which are similar to the options available for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The three colors are called Titanium Jet Black, Titanium Silver, and Titanium Icy Blue. These might just be the standard color choices, but Samsung could also release more colors that are only available online through its official eShops. The leaked renders look just like the design Samsung teased at its Unpacked event and Mobile World Congress. They match what we expected to see. The Galaxy S25 Edge has a flat Infinity-O display, thin bezels, a flat frame, and a camera island that holds two cameras and an LED flash. Unlike other models, the S25 Edge only has two cameras instead of three or more. While the full camera specs aren't confirmed yet, rumors suggest the main camera will have 200 megapixels and the second camera will be a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge in April 2025. The company already showcased the phone at its Unpacked event and Mobile World Congress, but attendees weren't allowed to try it out. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.